What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX here, and on today's video I want to talk to you about hidden divergence. Now I know hidden divergence is kind of like, what is that? What is like, I'm going to go through, break down what is divergence, what is strong, what is bearish, what is weak, what is bullish, what's bearish, everything you need to know about divergence you're going to learn in this video. Alright, simple as that. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If not, hit the dislike button. I don't care. Let's just get into the video.
Okay, so for those of you that follow me on social media or are in the GGFOREX Facebook group, the links for both of those, by the way, guys, is down below. I posted this trade and it was GGA to the pip. It was a beautiful trade, a nice little 1 to 2, and I'm going to show you how I spotted it. So if you have a look, right, price is sort of coming down. So you got price, it's making lower high, lower low, lower high, then made a higher low. Right, so already structure is sort of changing. Then we had a huge impulse to the upside, right? Didn't break this structure. We're still holding bearish. However, there was some divergence in play. So if I go to the 1 hour time frame of how I got into this trade, right, you'll have a look at the RSI. Now, if you want to know how to get to RSI, you literally just click indicators up there in trading view and then just type in RSI and it'll be the first one you see, right? But if you have a look at the RSI, you see price making a higher high, but you see the RSI making a lower low, right? So that is hidden bearish divergence. Now, that is a very powerful signal that price could continue to the upside. We already had some sort of inkling that price could continue to the upside because price never made a lower low. It never broke this swing low, like we said, and then we had a huge impulse to the upside. Where did that impulse come from? Well, that impulse came from this came from this area, right? So this is my point of interest. Set an alarm, price came in here. When I saw price get into my point of interest, I saw the RSI come lower, making a lower low. I was like, oh, okay, cool, I've got hidden bearish divergence at play. Then I saw this huge impulse to the upside. If I go to the higher time frame, you'll be able to see, right, we had some real nice pushes to the up. Right, we had a 3 hour bullish engulfing candle, right? And obviously on that 1 hour, we did have that confirmation of hidden bullish divergence, right? So I saw that and I was like, right, and jumping in, and this was my target, just a simple 1 to 2, thinking that price is going to now continue to the upside and fill the imbalance above, which I think price could potentially come up to this area here and fill the imbalance, right? If you get confused and you don't really know what I'm saying or anything like that, then just join the GGFOREX group down below and then it just make a lot more sense for you. But yeah, so that was how I got in on GJ, and I'm going to show you strong bullish divergence that I did on another trade, a cheeky 1-to-1 on CAD JPY, right? All the JPYs were doing the same thing, right? So on a 4 hour time frame, again, same situation. We sort of have like a lower high, lower low, lower high. We did get a lower low in this one, and then we got a lower high, and then another lower low, right? So still bearish, so why was I buying into this? Well, if you have a look, where's my tool? There it is. Price made a lower low, right? This is a new swing low. But then if you have a look at the RSI is making a higher high, or higher low, sorry. So price made a lower low, RSI made a high low. This is strong bullish divergence. This was a little bit of a clue to what price may want to do next. I'm expecting some sort of retrace to where? Well, for me, my retracement will be back to a logical point of interest, a premium zone to sell from again. So I'm predicting price is going to come up to here. Stay tuned for the next YouTube video to see if price does come into here and start to change, or does price just blast on through. But if you have a look previously what price does, right, come back to what? My zone, following structure. What does this price do? Come back to my zone, right? Just following structure. So I'm expecting price to do the same thing and then do this. But we'll have to wait and see because we now have strong bullish divergence. So price may easily just do that and break through. So that is something that you can use. Just a quick, simple video here, something you can use to see, hey, price is showing me bullish bearish divergence in a logical area. It's liquidated the liquidity down here. Well, I can just look for bullish price action here. Well, we've got high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. So we've got structure being changed here in a 1 hour time frame with 4 hour strong bullish divergence, right? So already a huge sign of price reversing, and I got a cheeky 1-to-1 along here as well. So what I'm going to do now is show you a bearish example, and then that'll be it. Bearish divergence is pretty much the same thing, just the opposite way, right? So same pair, CAD, JPY. Let's have a look at hidden bearish divergence, right? So clearly we can see that price here has made a lower high, right? Price is stepping down, is going to the downside, right? How do we know this is continuation? Well, first bit of evidence is here. RSI made a higher high, right? So price made a lower high, RSI made a higher high. That is hidden bearish divergence. Where did price go to? A logical point of interest, which was to this area where they previously bought to sell off, right? They put in buys here, had a huge sell-off. Price came back, filled that imbalance here. There's still some more imbalance up there if you really wanted to be fussy about it, right? There's still some IP up there where I feel like price can continue to, possibly in this push after seeing this strong bullish divergence I just went over with you. However, there was potentials for sells here as well. Price came to a logical point of interest to potentially reverse. We had strong bearish divergence, and then if you just drop down to the lower time frame, have a look at price action in that area, right? You can see price would have triggered your alarm, then you would wait for simple break of structure, right? You got your break, so you got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you can just ride that all the way down, right? So how do you use bearish divergence, or how do you use any sort of divergence? That is your key area. You wait for logical points of interest and you look for evidence with divergence of potential areas of reversal, right? Same again. Here, price made a lower high, right? We can see that. RSI, higher high. Right, so we still got hidden bearish divergence in play. Price came along, distributed, broke structure, tested, dropped. Same again. Right, how did this happen? Right, price made a lower high. Let me just delete this so it doesn't get too confusing. Price made a lower high. What did the RSI do? Made a higher high. Boom, price dropped. We don't have that at the moment. As you can see, price is making a lower high, but the RSI is also making a lower high. So still no hidden bearish divergence. So potentially this strong bullish divergence is going to take over, and we're going to see price move up potentially to this grey box area to fill the IPA. But we'll have to wait and see on that. So hopefully, guys, that has given you a good idea on how to use divergence in your trading. So hopefully it's helped.
Right, guys, so that is how I use divergence. Bullish, strong bearish, hidden. I don't really bother with weak. Basically, weak means the RSI is just going flat or not diverging at all, like I explained on there. But yeah, so hopefully that is giving you a good idea on how to actually trade using divergence. Hopefully it's had a few aha moments for you. And again, if you want me to go into any more details and any more breakdowns, join the GGFOREX Facebook group. The link is down there. But yeah, guys, I love you all. Like, share, subscribe, and bye.